Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy spinach shake. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh spinach, 1 ripe banana, and 1 cup of your favorite liquid, like almond milk or water. For an extra boost, consider adding 1 scoop of protein powder and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. These ingredients are readily available and form the perfect base for a nutritious drink. Now let's get blending. Carefully add all your prepared ingredients into a high-speed blender. Start by blending on a low setting to break down the spinach, then gradually increase the speed to high. Continue blending for about 1 to 2 minutes, or until the shake reaches a perfectly smooth and creamy consistency. There should be no visible spinach pieces left, just a vibrant green, uniform mixture. Want to customize your shake? There are many ways to enhance both flavor and nutrition. Consider adding half a cup of frozen berries, like blueberries or strawberries, for natural sweetness and antioxidants. A small piece of fresh ginger, about 1 teaspoon, can add a delightful zesty kick. For extra healthy fats and a richer texture, try 1 tablespoon of your favorite nut butter, such as almond or peanut butter. Once your spinach shake is perfectly blended and customized to your liking, it's time to enjoy. Pour the vibrant green mixture into a glass. For the best taste and nutritional benefits, it's recommended to drink your shake immediately. This easy and delicious spinach shake is a fantastic way to incorporate more greens into your diet, whether as a quick breakfast, a post-workout refuel, or a healthy snack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.